Hello everyone. I'm very glad to share with you all. This is going to be my 100th post. I would like to thank each and everyone, those who are watching my videos and subscribers, and my family and friends for the huge support you have given to me. Hope this will be continued in the near future. Thank you so much. Now in this video, I'm going to teach exercise 3.2 question number 3 questions on the graphs. Let's see on the board.
Yeah, here question number 3. Draw the graphs of the given polynomial and find the zeros. Justify the answer. So for the each polynomial, you need to draw the graph and find the zeros from the graph. Justification means you need to verify by the factorization method whether the zeros are correct or not. So let's take the first question on the board. X square minus x minus 12. Solution. Let y is equal to x square minus x minus 12. So draw one table which projects the 5 different values of x and y pairs. So take the first row as a x and the second row y and the third row x comma y ordered pair. Okay, for finding the values of y for the different values of the x, you need to do some rough work. Okay, rough work. So instead of taking just random points, I suggest you to choose 2 zeros compulsory, um, 2 zeros, and rest of the numbers nearest to that values. Okay. See, this is a monoquadratic polynomial. Okay. What is monoquadratic polynomial? X square coefficient is 1 here. So in monoquadratic polynomial, roughly you can calculate the factors of this polynomial. How? What is this? Minus 12. The constant is minus 12. So factors are 1, 12, 2, 6 are 12, 3, 4 are 12. Right? 4 came off. So let's stop the writing factors. So if you add, you need to get a minus 1. So if you add or subtract, you need to get a minus 1. I mean middle term. Okay. So 4 minus 3 gives a 1. If I keep a minus 4 plus 3, you will get a minus 1, isn't it? And plus into minus, 3 4s are 12. So we are getting. So this is our required pair. So your zeros are minus 3 opposite signs. Take opposite signs. Minus 3 plus 4. So these are compulsory. Make sure of having in your table. Okay. So I am taking here first 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 4. So at least 5 values of the x and y we will project here. Okay. So first one, if x is equal to 0, put here 0, 0 square. X place you have to substitute 0. Minus x place 0 minus 12. 0 square is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. And minus 12 is the answer. Okay, so when you put a 0, your y is minus 12. So what is the ordered pair? 0, comma, minus 12. Next. Now put x place 1. So 1 square is 1 minus 1 minus 12. 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So answer is minus 12 again. So minus 12 again. So 1 comma minus 12 is one more ordered pair. Now coming to the value 2, x value 2. So if you put 2 square is a 4 minus again 2 minus 12. See, like symbols can be added and same sign follows. So 2 plus 12 is a 14. 4 minus 14 gives 10. Greater number sign follows. So minus sign follows. So when your x value is 2, you are going to get the y value as a minus 10. So your ordered pair is 2 comma minus 10. Now put the value 3 x place. So 3 square is a 9 minus 3 minus 12. So like symbols add 12 plus 3 is a 15. So from 15 if we remove the 9 you will get answer as a 6. Greater number sign follows minus 6. Okay. So 3 minus 6 here. Ordered pair is 3 minus 6. Next, take x value as a 4. Minus 3. What I said, the roots are going to be minus 3 and plus 4, right? You take a plus 4 here and also you take a minus 3 over here. Minus 3 one value also. So if you take a y value as a 4, 4 square is 16 minus 4 minus 12. Okay. So 16 minus 16. See here you got a 0. For the, so this is a 0. So this is 4 comma 0. Next, put minus 3. Y is equal to x place, put minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is a 9. 9 minus of minus is plus 3 minus 12. So 12 minus 12 gives you 0. Okay, so this is also 0. So minus 3 comma 0. So for these values, we are going to plot the graph. Take the graph here. Okay. So I'll pick red color for the perfection. Now see, 0 on, see, this is your x-axis. The horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis. Okay. So here always maintain, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. First quadrant, all the numbers are positive, x and y are positive. Second quadrant, x is a negative, y is a positive. Okay. Third quadrant, both x and y values are going to be negative. Fourth quadrant, x is a positive, y is a negative. In 9th grade, you already learnt about this, isn't it? Yes. So let's plot the points now. First pair is 0 comma minus 12. This is a 0, minus 12 on the y-axis. I don't have here. So I am taking here, somewhere around here. Okay. Next, 1 comma minus 12. So this is a 1 on the x-axis and minus 12 again here. Okay. 2 comma minus 10. 2 on the x-axis and minus 10. Minus 10. Okay. 3 comma minus 6. 3 on the x-axis and minus 6. Next, 4 comma 0. 4 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis. So this is only. And minus 3 comma 0. So minus 3 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis. This is. So now you are going to draw the curve. Smooth curve it should be. I'll try to draw. Okay. So this is going to be our parabola. See here, if you have been observed, you can even extend this one. Okay. So if you have been observed, the curve cuts the x-axis at 2 different points. These are going to be your zeros. What are the zeros? So let's write the solution part here. The x-coordinate of minus 3 comma 0 and 4 comma 0, here only na 4 comma 0, 4 comma 0 are the zeros, are the zeros of given polynomial of okay. So now we need to verify our zeros are correct or not. We need to do the verification because they asked for justification. So let's verify verification part. How can we do this? See, take the polynomial, what it is, x square minus x minus 12 by splitting the middle term. We already did a rough work for this. Okay. So what are the factors? 3 and 4. 3 and negative 4 are the factors, right? So you can simply write, split the middle term as a minus plus 3x minus 4x minus 12. So 3 minus 4 gives minus 1. 3 4 is a 12, plus into minus gives minus 12. When you multiply these two factors, you should get a constant. Okay. When you add or subtract, you have to get a middle term. So now what you can take the common x. So x plus 3 remains here. If we take minus 4 as a common here, x already minus came out. So plus remains x plus 3. So both are same, write one time. Take this as a common and rest of the terms make it as a one factor. So x plus 3 and x minus 4. So see this. So first factor equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 3 or plus 4 we get. So our zeros are correct. This is what we have shown on the graph also. So conclusion. After verification, you need to give the conclusion part. Conclusion. Minus 3 comma 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Minus 3 comma 4 are zeros of given polynomial. Let's do the second question. X square minus 6x plus 9. Okay. Let y is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. See, this is also monoquadratic polynomial. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. Okay, if you take 3 plus 3, it will become 6. And 3 into 3, it is becoming 9. So we can take x minus 3 as a one factor and x minus 3 only other factor. Okay, minus 3 becomes minus 6, minus into minus plus 3 3 is a 9 it becomes. So just for your approximated value without doing also we can find out the factors here. It's not approximated, exactly factors, exact factors these are. Okay, now we need to take the different x values. For that we get a different y values and we need to put them as a ordered pair. Okay, make sure having one factor as a 3. Okay, so I would like to take 0, 1, 2, 3 and 1 negative value even. Okay, minus 1. So let's do it in our rough work. Put x value as a 0. What do we get as a y value? If we keep 0 square is a 0 minus 6 into 0 is a 0 plus 9. So y value is a 9. So 0 comma 9. Next, put x value as a 1. So 1 square is 1 minus 6 into 1 is 6 plus 9. So 1 plus 9, positives you have to add first. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. So y value is a 4. So ordered pair is 1 comma 4. Now let's find out y value for the x value of 2. So 2 square is a 4. Here minus 6 into 2, 6 2 is a 12 plus 9. So 4 minus 12 plus 9. Add positive numbers. 9 plus 4 gives 13. 13 minus 12 gives 1. So 2, 1. 2, comma 1 is ordered pair. Now put x value as a 0. 3 square. 3 square is 9. Okay. Minus 6 3s are 18. Okay. 6 3s are 18 plus 9. Okay. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 minus 18 gives 0. Y value is a 0. That's what we already predicted before doing. X minus 3 is a factor, means x value is 3. So this is 18 minus 18 is 0. So 3 comma 0 is the ordered pair. If we put a minus 1, y is equal to minus 1 whole square. Next, minus 6 into minus 1. So 6 ones are 6, minus into minus plus 6 and plus 9. How much we are getting? 1 square is 1. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So we are getting 16 if we take minus 1. Okay. So this is a little more not required, I think. This one is not required. We can plot these 4 points on the graph. So let's plot on the graph then. Yeah. First pair 0, comma 9. 0 on the x-axis, 9 on the y-axis. Next. 1, comma 4. 1 on the x-axis, 4 on the y-axis. 4. 2, comma 1. 2 on the x-axis, 1 on the y-axis. 3, comma 0. 3 on the x-axis, 0 on the y-axis. Next, I took minus 1, actually minus 116. Minus 116 is the sum out of the graph, which is not required. If you keep somewhere around, it will come. 16 means. Okay. So if we draw the graph, we are going to get the curve, join all the curves, we get like this. If we take a 5, what will happen? 5 square is 25. 25 minus 6 5 is a 30 plus 9. So how much? 25 plus 9 is 34. 34 minus 30 gives 4 simply. So if I take a 5, I am getting 4, right? So somewhere around here, yeah. So your curve is going to be like this. Okay. So the curve is touching the x-axis at only one point, that is 3, comma 0. So it is having only 1 0 as a 3. Okay. So you need to write the solution. The x coordinate (3, 0) is the 0 of the given polynomial. So they asked for justify the answer. So we need to do the verification as usual. Verification. So let's take x square minus 6x plus 9 is the quadratic polynomial. Put equal to 0 for finding the zeros. So splitting the middle term. So minus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. If we take x as a common, x minus 3 is one factor. Minus 3 as a common, x minus 3 is another factor. Both x minus 3's write one time, and the remaining numbers you write it as a one factor. If x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3, 3. Okay. Conclusion. Conclusion. 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial. So remaining 2 questions I'm going to share in a next video. Thank you.